Alright, I've got an unboxing. I'm not even sure what's in here. Oh, all right. I think I was picturing something a little bigger. That's what she said. I guess it looks okay. You bet. Oh, I'm already screwing it up. Ah, you get the idea. See if I can get it back. There we go. All good. It's kind of hard to do while I'm looking at the camera lens. There we go. Checkerboard. See? That's the one thing I know how to do with a Rubik's Cube. That's it. Oh, here we go. This one's pretty cool, actually. I like the action on it. It's easy to turn. Maybe a little too easy. Look how loosey-goosey that is. You can almost like pull it apart. I think you can adjust the tension on these though. You take the middle piece off and there's like an adjustment screw. Yeah.